In so many ways, in so many places, it keeps 1 million disasters a day from happening. It's like a life insurance policy you never knew you had. It's plastics. Plastics make it possible. Close your eyes. Inhale the exotic aromas of rich, dark coffee, fresh-baked baguettes, and old-fashioned, toasty Gauloise tobacco wafting across a small market square. You're undoubtedly somewhere in the south, maybe close to the Riviera, where the summer heat verges on the tropical, but the breezes are cool and rattle the awnings of the market stalls. Open your eyes. It's a hilltop village on the Caribbean island of Martinique, and you're enjoying one of those customary do-nothing, coffee and wine-sipping, people-watching interludes that the French seem to love so much. Hey, remember Mom's apple pie? Remember when she used to put a big scoop of vanilla ice cream right on top? You can bring back those days and that wonderful taste with Borden's Golden Vanilla Ice Cream. Borden's borrowed a recipe from the past, when vanilla was made with extra eggs. This way we get a richer flavor, a creamier texture, a deep golden color that lets you know that old-fashioned look and taste of homemade ice cream is back in style. Was it ever out of style? Borden's Ice Cream. Captain Morgan, private stock, has all the charm and discipline of an aristocrat, with the brass of a seafaring rogue. Crafted from the captain's oldest and finest Puerto Rican rums, distilled from pure cane sugar molasses, then blended with a refined island spice. The result is an exceptionally well-mannered spirit that doesn't forget where it comes from. A rum brash enough to bunker down in a Bahama Mama, yet distinguished enough to be sipped over ice. Captain Morgan, an officer and a gentleman. You know, I never thought John would get to this point. It used to be just a couple of drinks at a party, maybe an occasional drink after work. But he would never drive drunk, or so I thought. If I'd only stopped him before he got into his car, maybe John would be here today. Friends don't let friends drive drunk. We're off to Turkey, where Europe meets Asia in a whirl of color, an unforgettable mix of old and new. This fabled gateway to the Orient beguiles the traveler with an exotic blend of sights and sounds and smells and tastes. 3,000 years of history come to life in Istanbul. The city was once the capital of the world's hottest cultures. We'll visit architectural wonders including magnificent mosques, ornate palaces, and the Sultan's legendary harem. Egypt has always been a land of mystery and magic, a land different from all others, difficult to understand, apart and alien, yet strangely fascinating. It was the most self-contained of all the countries of the ancient world. It lived its own life, practiced its own religion, and made up its own government with hardly any outside interference, either from or upon other civilizations.